Okay, quick and easy on expression comparison maths, which is true with any of the maths that we're going to use. There's a really simple setup. The mat has two sections to it, the top being positive and the bottom being negative. So we have two ways that we can go about setting up tiles on a mat like this, or any of the mats. And I'm going to use this problem right here to show you how this works. So my x tiles are blue, so I have 3x squareds, and they're positive, which means I'm going to color them blue. But then it tells me I have two negative y's, and remember my y's are purple, so I'm going to add 2, but they're negative y's, which means I have to make them red. 2 negative y tiles, making them extra long so they can't get confused with our x tiles. And then it shows me that I have a positive unit tile, and the unit tile is that kind of like dark bluish black, and it's positive. So that's one way to show this problem, where I put everything up in the positive zone, but I color it, or I flip the tile based on whether it's positive or negative. There's another way that we can do this. The other way we can do this is by placing tiles based on positive or negative. So if the tile's positive, I'm going to put it in this zone, and I'm going to keep it whatever color the positive color is. If the tile's negative, I'm going to put it in this zone, but again, I'm going to keep it its positive color because it's automatically assumed to be negative since it's in the negative zone. Think of it kind of like hockey. If you get put in the penalty box that's negative, down here might be like the penalty box, okay? All right, so we have our x squareds. We have 3x squared tiles. So here's our 3x squared tiles. And then we have 2 negative y tiles, but I'm going to color them purple because I'm going to put them in the negative zone. And then lastly, we have a positive unit, so the unit goes up here. So that's the second way to express this expression of 3x squared minus 2y plus 1. Two different ways to demonstrate it. We can keep all of our tiles positive, but put them in the positive or negative zone depending on what they are. Or we can keep all of our tiles in the positive zone, but show positive versus negative based on the sign that they hold. All right, those are your two strategies. Go ahead and play, pause and repeat in order to take the notes you need so that you have a good reference.